If you're looking for your backyard and you see a little area that you want to cultivate, you could start by either getting a cutlass or probably even a hoe and clearing the land of any form of debris.
And you create a hole. So this is good enough for road development.
And dig the soil up a little bit to loosen a couple inches, at least 4 to 6 inches of the first top layer of the soil. And that's to try to aerate the soil, the topsoil a little bit. Make it easy for your roots to penetrate the soil and for water to pass through the different little crevices within soil. When you transplant your seedlings, you want to use properly cured manure, whether it's from chicken manure or any form of pen manure, because if it's not cured properly, touch any of the roots, it will burn there, so it not have been broken down into a usable form by the plant. I would also recommend you use some form of trellising for certain crops. Trellising is basically we are using some form of sticks or to prop a plant in a vertical direction to go upward as opposed to running on the ground itself. Tomatoes is one of those, cucumbers, or even eggplants to be trellised. And the purpose of that is to reduce pests and diseases, along as increasing the actual growing areas. Rather than spread on the ground, it can be grown vertically.
Join us next week as we're starting to plant.